What's up, YouTube? Back with another freaking banger. Today we're gonna be reacting to Treyfromnextdoor Love Sound official video. Um, man, I found out about Treyfromnextdoor on doing lives. I wasn't doing it, but I seen the person that I was doing live, and I heard him. I was like, he sound nice. Um, y'all won't believe. Or no, what I ain't gonna say that. I'm gonna let y'all listen to the song. He don't preview this on live for like I'm gonna say about 2 months. Everybody wanted to drop it 2 or 3 months. He been previewing this song with celebrities. Everybody you think of, he be getting on live previewing this. So he finally dropped the song, official music video and everything to this song. Everybody been wanting it. You can go look in the comments. He got people with blue checks, famous people, DDG, all the people that wanted him to drop the song, trying to figure out when he dropped the song, and he finally dropped it. So we here to react to it. See who he got. Shot by Joe. Well, I think who that is. I don't know who he is, but I don't see him on some famous people stuff. So yeah, let's get on. We're gonna react to it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, and let's get into it, gang. And also, you might see me sing along because I know the song.
Hey yo, Ren, turn that up. Hey, look, look. Ain't no competition where I'm at, no. They look up to me like big dog, where they can't go. I'm doing it different, yeah, I came in from the back, though. Just look at the picture, how they came in with the strap. And I came in with the bag. I ain't living fast, but I got on key, man, what I had to be. I don't want the land, I don't even want no bread. I just want the kids say they remember me. Yeah, I was sick, found a remedy. Learn from the OGs ahead of me. Now I'm everything that I said I'd be. Yeah, now they see me. Now they see it, they don't like the way that I'm up now. Started making plays, I just touched down. I swear it's amazing. I've been hearing hate so long, I forgot how to love sound. Yeah.
Hey man, Trey might be the hardest white boy out of Florida. shout out to him, bro. You might be the hardest one out of Florida. I ain't gonna need help. You see that boy in the Corvette. So far, I get a song 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. And comment what you think of the song. Comment what you rate the song. I'm gonna say 9 out of 10. Well, it could be a 10 out of 10 to be honest. Cause I mess with the song heavy. I can play this. I've been playing this so long. Ever since he dropped it. But he dropped like, I think about let me see, about 2 weeks ago. He dropped this. But I wasn't able to react to it, so that's why I'm reacting to it now. Put some of y'all on, because it's hard. It's a lot of more people I got to react to that's hard. Underground rappers. But y'all gonna see blow up. So, let's get back into it and get back into it though. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Get back into it.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look, I swear it's amazing. I've been hearing hate so long, I forgot how to love sound. Ain't no competition where I'm at, no. They look up to me like big dog, where they can't go. I'm doing it different, yeah, I came in from the back, though. Just look at the picture, how they came in with the strap. And I came in with the bag. I ain't living fast, but I got on beat, man, what I had to be. I don't want the land, I don't even want no bread. I just want the kids say they remember me. Yeah.
Alright, this is like the end of the video. Comment what you rate your song, like I said. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell down below. Also go check his music right here. You see it right here. Go check out some of his other songs. Just type in Treyfromnextdoor, and you will see his stuff pop up. You'll see all the lives and everything he did. So Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell down below. And we out, gang.